Alright, we gotta look at some cows. I like steak. I like milk. They bring you a lot of good stuff. You know, I am cow pie, so let's look at some surprised there's still a lot here. So a lot of them take them away, so let's go over here. There's one here over here last time. It said don't pet. So let's go over here. He's a big dog right there. Not too bad for 100 degrees. Actually nice in here. Little suckers. You wanna, without the farmers, you're not eating. Don't forget that. There's a big one right there. Yep, one more day of the fair, so a lot of them are tired. They'll stay here and wherever else. So see over here. They show them. The old cows. I said on another video I did, we closed that milk dairy out there in Hastings. Too much milk. They're from Buffalo, Minnesota. That sucker's huge. How you doing, sweetheart? What's happening? We'll go over here, some over here. They're all kind of lying down. But we got some over here. Oh, he's a big dog. Look at that. Look at that axe handle. He's big. Grand champion. Short bull. Woo! He's tired. Half champion 2020, the open class. Look at that, champions. Hell yeah. Show and tell is the game we play. Now a lot of you go to slaughter. When this is over, they sell them off. They have an auction. People will take them away and slaughter them. They used to have a slaughterhouse over in St. Paul, but they have a big auction finder stand, and a lot of them go to slaughterhouse in Nebraska. They'll be on your dinner table in about a month. I don't need to go through the whole barn. I'm just going to give you what I see here. We'll go over here. They're all over the place. Over here. Yeah, boys. He's standing up. Suckers. Woo! Let's go over here. Check it out over here. You can tell they're getting ready to go home. He's sleeping over there with the cow. It's a big ass. Look at that sucker. Hanging out. Move. There's one over here. I'll get that one over there in a moment. Look at this. Look at these suckers. It's the cows. How's it going? What's happening? What's going on? What's happening with you? Medium rare, please. We're having steak tomorrow for Labor Day on the grill. I like those horns. Biggin'. Sleeping. Hey guys, what's happening? We'll go over here. Like I said, it's a huge building. I could give you 2 videos. You don't need 2. I'll give you 1. That bad boy. milking. Sucker. Big one. Yep, going poopy right there. There it is. A cow pie. How's it going, guys? What's happening? Yep. Fair's coming to a close, but they had no rain. There's been some heat, but it's actually this weekend some cloud cover, so it hasn't been too bad. Roll over here. Let's roll over here. Okay, you're gonna get over to the milk area over there in the back half of it. See some of that stuff. So we'll get over there. There we go. Look at that sucker over there, that big boy. How you doing, my friend? What's happening? How you doing? So the milking parlor. We'll go over there. How's it going, kiddo? Any last words before you go to slaughterhouse? Yeah, douche, exit only. He's all tied up like, Look at these big man. Look at these big dogs. Look at that. Biggin. Pet my dairy cow, $1. What? I ain't giving you any. I'll pet myself. Ready? Here's your $1. A big dog. Let's see over here. Look at those suckers. Whew. He's a big one. So we're gonna go over here if I get in over here. Let's see. Welcome to the booth, I guess, right? If we can get in over there. Cruise. We'll go over to the pig barn over there next. So, here we go. Cow drinks about a bathtub full of water a day. Oh my word.
And this sanitizes the cow's teeth. We want to make sure that
Goodness. From glass to glass. Why can't I get in the cloud? Why can't I? .2 pounds of whole milk to produce 1 pound of butter. Huh. Anyways. Come on over here. It's the cows, man. Big thing here in Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, Nebraska. Without farmers, you'd starve to death. Anyways, we'll see you on the next one.